Nabraj is associated with National Agriculture Bank and Rural Development. What is shadow banking? Performing financial and other activities by non-banking financial institution. With reference to India, consider the following. Which of the following is a step to achieve financial inclusion in India? Nationalization of bank, formation of RRBs, adaptation of villages by bank branches. In context of independent India economy, which of the following was the earliest event to take place? Enactment of Banking Regulation Act. Variable reserve rates and open market ratio operation are instrument of monetary policy. Which the following is not objective of financial inclusion? Shrinking of banking infrastructure. सेबी आया था 1988 में, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन 1992 मिला, हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई में है. आरबीआई आया था 1935 में, नेशनलाइज किया 1949 में, हेडक्वार्टर कलकत्ता से मुंबई चला गया 1937 में. आईडीबीआई के हेडक्वार्टर कहाँ है? आईडीबीआई का हेडक्वार्टर ने ये दिया होगा, जुलाई 1962 में फॉर्म हुआ था. एसबीआई कमर्शियल बैंक है. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया 1955, लीड बैंक स्कीम 1969, आरआरबी 1975, नबार्ड 1982. फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन कैन बी इंक्रीज by issuing a special letter of credit to deserving beneficiaries, by providing banking service to people of lower income group with zero income, by providing financial service to low income group. Which the following is obstruction in? कौन obstruction है process of financial inclusion? Low income, illiteracy, lack of bank branches. The commercial branches to hang with Punjab National Bank is New Bank of India. Banking Reform Committee is also known which committee? Narsimhan Committee. Financial sector reforms in India consist of lowering down of CRR and SLR, deregulation of rate interest, entry of private firms in insurance sector. Basel II relates which are the following? Basel II क्या relate करता है? International standard for measuring the adequacy of banks' capital. Hard currency refers to currency that which is belong to developed countries. Tarakpur committee was associated with full capital account accountability. The Narsimhan committee for financial sector form a suggested reduction in SR and CRR. Pimat Jalan panel has set up a Reserve Bank of India to scrutinize application for new bank applications. RBI has set up a committee to study and give suggestion on microfinance sector. Its chairman was Vayesh Melgam. Who among the following was not the governor of RBI? Ajay Chichaliye. Narsimhan committee was related with tax reforms. Rangarajan committee was formed for banking reform. Control of interest rate is based on recommendation of Narsimhan committee. At present, country has assumed full accountability of current account. In general, the main goal of monetary policy is control on money supply. Which of the following is not cognitively important for economic development? Amount of money. Ad hoc treasury bill system to meet budget deficit was abolished in 31 March 1997. Narsimhan committee banking structure reform. Tax